Hey guys, welcome to our channel How To Guide. So continuing with our Instagram tutorial series, today I'll be showing you how to add Instagram story highlights. But before we start with that video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you do not miss any more updates from us. So now let's get started with the video. So first you'll open Instagram, and then you'll go to your profile, and then you'll tap on the plus button over here on the top and click on the story highlight option. So here, to create new highlight, you'll just tap on the stories that you have. You tap on next, and here you will create the name of the highlight. You edit the cover, and even add a cover from your gallery. I'll just use this right now, and then click on done, and now you have created a story highlight. So if you want to add a new story to your highlight, what you can do is tap on the story highlight, then click on this triple dot more option over here on the bottom right, and then click on edit highlight, and then click on stories, and you can tap on the new story that you want to add and click on done. You can also click on the story, and here you have the option of adding to highlight over here in the bottom. You can do that. It's very simple, easier way to add your story to highlight. So this is it, guys. I hope you like this video. I hope you learned how to add Instagram story highlight. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.